So if you remember on Thursday, I think at that point I told you we had one confirmed active duty. So we now have 3 confirmed active duty. There's the active duty member in Korea, the one that was mentioned previously here in the United States, and then there's one in Europe also who have been diagnosed with coronavirus. In addition, we have 1 civil servant who's been diagnosed with coronavirus, 4 dependents, and 1 contractor, all at various locations. All are doing well at this point based on the clinical updates that we've received from them or from the locations where they're being treated. We have 6 people who are currently being evaluated, and I'm going to use that term because there's a bunch of very specific terms, but there's 6 people currently being evaluated that we're tracking, and we'll wait to see what their test results are when they come back. As far as how many tests we've conducted, last report that I saw yesterday was 143 within DoD labs. That does not include tests that were done in other labs on DoD personnel, so I can't we don't have any way of tracking if a lab for a DoD person was sent out to another lab.
In response to another reporter's question, you said that there were 3 DoD cases. Did that not include the service member at Joint Base Lewis McChord? And with the dependents, did that not include the spouse?
So the 3 active duty that I'm tracking, which is a report that I got as of about 3 o'clock this morning, did not include anyone from Joint Base Lewis McChord. So I would caution everybody, these numbers are going to change. For those of you who were here yesterday, you heard different numbers. If we look at this again in 2 hours, it'll probably be a different number. So no, these did not include those cases. As a reminder, when we step forward, if an individual is diagnosed or if there's a concern about an individual, the first step is doing the test, have to wait for those results to come back. If the first test is positive, they're called a presumptive positive, and then the second test is sent for confirmation. And so we're trying to be very careful in reporting those for whom we have received 2 confirmatory, received the initial and the confirmatory test, and we update our numbers here once a day.